Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can avoid GoGuardian on our school Chromebook. So for that I will be providing a link in the description, and all you have to do is just copy this link and paste it in your browser. Then click enter. It will basically lead you to a proxy server, and this is how we will be unblocking almost every single website out there using this proxy server. And this is where it will lead you to. Sometimes it might not open up, you just have to try again and it will eventually open up. And after that you have to search for the things that you want to open up from here. Suppose you want to open up Discord, so you will search for a Discord and click enter. Then wait for it to load and it will open up Discord for us. Just click on Discord again and let's go to the main website of Discord. It might take a little while to open up as we are using a proxy server and the internet speed is quite low as compared to our actual Wi-Fi speed. So this is how you do it, and in the similar way you can open up other websites as well. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.